Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to hide construction lines. So as example, you can create new design and I will create construction line by using these tools. I will create at this point and also from this point into here. Now you can draw circle in this point and click and sketch editing. So you can see we have this construction line, and if you want to hide, you can click on the cube in it, drop down menu, and there are two construction line. You can uncheck to hide the construction line. You can click again to show, or you can check in the cube to hide all construction line. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to hide construction lines. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.